Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cut my little guy's hair. I get a lot of questions on how I cut Hudson's and Hunter's hair. Super easy, honestly. You just need a hair cutting kit and all the guard sizes. We really only use a couple guards out of the whole kit. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Obviously I have to work really fast because he's only one and he hates getting his hair cut. But I'm going to go ahead and start using a half guard around the entire portion of his head and leave out maybe like an inch for this little area right here. I don't know what you would call it, but I'm gonna do a half guard and then save this next part and then we'll move on. He's okay. He's okay. Oh, to a big strong boy. Wow, big strong boy, Hunter Bob, huh? Wow. Good job. Wow, big and strong. Okay, so obviously that doesn't look perfect, but I just went around, did the half guard. Now you see this like longer portion. I just popped on the one guard and I'm not gonna like work my way up with the fade just because I'm trying to save some time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this next portion right here with just a one. Here, look that way. Look over here. So this is kind of what the back's looking like. The sides are looking better, and then the top's really long. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 6 guard on top, and then I'll tell you how I'm gonna blend these in. So 6 guard on top. So handsome. So now to blend out this little spot up here, I'm just gonna pop on a 2 guard and just kind of lightly brush up, just to kind of even that out a little bit. So boom, the hair is the length that I want it on top and the sides are super short. And I'm gonna go ahead and give him a wash and then style it and show you. There you go, super easy. Okay, so we're back, all cleaned. I'm just gonna go ahead, spray his hair a little bit with some water. And then I am going to put a little bit of this Got to Be styling glue. Just a little bit on my hand and super easy. I just spike the whole thing kind of. What are you doing? Now I just do a little bit of this. Hunter. Just do a little bit of this. Give him a little bit of a spike. I'm laying his head down. Oh, there he is. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. And now, let me show you the reveal. There he is, and he looks so handsome. Perfect. The sides look amazing. The back looks really good. I didn't miss any spots. I thought I was going to, but it looks really, really good. There he is. Oh, sweet boy. Oh, he's so nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye.